Did I not announce it several months ago? But you're thinking that I'm running? You are speculating that I am running. Is that the popular notion sa...
Yes. Yes, Mr. President.
Yan ang isip ninyo. And it is the almost a... O sige, tatakbo na lang ako. Yung gusto ninyo.
Mayor, si Salvador Panilo nag-ingon tuhak daw ang kung dili daw senador o mayor ayang imong daganan according to attorney.
Well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niyo ako. I've been your mayor for so many years now. You think that I can carry a national campaign at my age? Or you want me to die? Magkukulaps lang ako niyan eh. Well, anyway guys, I think that at my age, 73, mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Let us be realistic about it.
Pero are you considering local position?
Well, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for? You yan.
Mayor.
Who else? Ikaw. Sino pa?
Also
Of course. Mayor.
Mayor tayo.
Mayor, sure,
Kaya mo pa, Mayor. Kaya mo pa.
Sure,
Basta
Mayor.
Mayor.
O, yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Sa media? Well, is the media's sentiment now reflect the
Yes, of course.
community ano?
Yes, of course.
Gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin?
Yes.
Sige, mag-mayor tayo.
Mayor Baste and Bongbong.
What will happen to Mayor Baste?
He should be the vice mayor. Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. I should be, I think about mga 75, 76. May cancer kasi ako. Ang makakalaan yun lahat ng tao healthy. Baka hindi pa rin inabot.
It's going to be Duterte.
Are you going to appear kasi yung Quadcom ng Congress wants you to appear sa...
Well, if it's their pleasure, why not?
So are you going to...
Yes. Anong gusto niyang malaman sa akin?
They're investigating yung extradition
Ako totoo yan.
relations sa Pogo and other
Wala ako. Wala
illegal drugs.
Wala tayong pugo. Kaya nga namamatay yung mga tao dito dahil dyan sa illegal drugs. Pugo, that is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng pugo? Alam mo maglaro ng pugo?
So you're going to appear, Mayor,
Sa,
Congress?
well, if they will invite me. I just hope that they would ask educated questions.
How do you feel, Mayor, na yung mga pulis natin like Karma, De Leon, and other PNP, kinigisa, ngayon contempt sila mukhang hindi makaka-Christmas with their family dahil...
They will have court on legally. ikukonsulta ko sa mga abogado. I would leave it to the lawyers to hindi ako practicing lawyer. So I would not know the dynamics of what are the rules now. All that I can do is to provide them with lawyers. Tutulong talaga ako sa police pati military. Lalo na in the performance of their duty, itataya ko pati ang sarili kong reputasyon.
Any comment about the Congress? You've been a congressman, Mayor. Tapos ngayon, ang Congress mukha naging investigating body, mas masawag pa sa NBI at contempt ng kanilang mga resource person.
Ang suggestion ko nga, i-abolish na ng NBI, pati police sila na lang. That's my suggestion. You tell them.
Mr.
Mayor,
President.
ang sabi ni Inday, may Duterte tatakbo ng senador. Sino kaya? Paulo, Basti, or you?
Not me. Hindi ko na kaya sa...
Basti siguro? Ganun ba?
I really do not know. Hindi kami nag-uusap eh.
Inisita nila, Mayor.
Truth to tell, we have yet to set down at this very late filing na of what we would like things to happen sa aming political life. Ako, I'm ready to retire. Hindi naman ako sabag marunong, but maybe the desire to be senator, mayor, or nandyan, but ang problema, ang katawan, ang hindi na. May trabaho kasi yan eh. And if it would entail or require me to travel a lot, physical movement, mukhang hindi ko na. May ano kasi ako, may imbalance. Kasi yung pera ko sa right pocket, pati sa left, hindi it's not even. Wala na ang pera eh. Kaya baka tatakbo ako, totoo.
Mayor, sino pang dadagdag sa PDP line-up for senators?
Sa totoo talaga, frankly, wala pa akong, hindi ko pa na, I have yet to read the list na nag-file ng ano nila, candidates. Hindi ko alam sino yung nagtuloy, sino hindi.
Kuya Mayor, kung sa'y debate sa usa ka famous nga Rodrigo Duterte nga aniyang apo na nakaroon sa politika. Si Rico Duterte nag-file na sa iyang COC for councilor. How about Kapitan Omar Duterte? Will he file for congressman in the 2nd district of Davao?
Gusto man siguro nila ako, ilatanan, ihatag na lang nila. Give it to them. You know, ito Adre, wala itong ano. Do you know the reason why? It's because we come from a political family. Even in the now, post-war, basahin ninyo, i-google na ninyo, nandiyan yan eh. Post-war, right after, ang tatay ko naging mayor na ng Danao, which is a city now. Hindi talaga nawala sa politika. Pagdating dito, he served for a few years as a secretary to the board or provincial secretary, they call it. Then politics again. And sa kanya. So, political family kami. I am not surprised even if I do not want them to, kasi magulo, hindi naman walang kwenta. Pangit naman pakinggan, pero merong trabaho mas maganda pa dyan sa magiging politiko. Hindi ka naman magnegosyo ka, magyayaman ka. Ngayon, kung pasok ka ng politika, magnakaw ka talaga. To assure you of a comfortable and luxurious retirement. Kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, I think that at one time sa buhay mo as a politician, you better stop and think of going into a more profitable or productive life. Hindi ka makaasa dyan sa sweldo. Kailangan ka magnakaw. Ngayon, kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, paano mo nakawin? You have to falsify, you have to ghost project. Hindi natin kaya yan. Kasayang naman ang iniwan ng tatay ko na ito naabutan pa man ni John Ledesma. Kasayang naman yung legacy ng tatay ko tapos sisirain mo lang ng gano'n. I mean, makinabang pa siguro ang next generation, mga apo ko.
President, Mayor, would you like to comment? Kasi pagdating ngayong election, sabi-sabi, yung mga Nograles, itatakbo yung tatlong Nograles. Ano yung reaction?
Sige mo lang nila takbo. Sige lang lang kami hintay. Well, alam mo, modern day, lumipas na yung Almendras, Duterte, Veloso. May bagong crop, and there will always be contenders for public office. You should not begrudge the Nograleses if they also want the distinct honor of being their public office, congressman, mayor, or what else. We do not have the monopoly of ambition and desire. Kagaya ko, kasi tatay ko pa. At hindi yan nag-umpisa dito sa Davao. Sa Danao pa nga. Right after the war, siya na yung nag-umpisa ng mayor. Tapos pagpunta niya dito. Parang continuity of so yung politika hindi talaga naalis sa buhay namin. At most maybe in all probability mukatay pa na sa among mga apo.
May yung mayor sa gawas lastly sa pag-filing Martis man nagnaniit lang manugrali sa Duterte. Pag mudagan ka og mayor, walay Nograles mudagan og mayor. Apan kundi ka mudagan mayor ug si Basti tabanan nila. Katong mayor. Ang sa imo.
Gusto na kung file tanan para bibo. Pangit naman yung eleksyon na ako lang dyan.
Dili sila mulaban nimo pero kung si Basti daw labanan naay Nograles na mulaban kung si Basti mo parilik. Pero kung ikaw mo kandidato si Basti dili way mulaban ng mga Nograles sa imo. Mo balita ron sa gawas.
That is not the proper question. The proper question is I don't know kung sabihin ng Diyos na mamatay ako bukas, I will not tinker with politics anymore. O bigyan lang man niya ako ng isang single cell of cancer, At hindi ko naman tinatanggihan yan kasi matanda na ako. Hindi na ako makialam. Pero what am I supposed to do? Yan ako sa bahay. Pagising ko, nakatingin yung asawa ko. Pag uwi niya, nasa sopa ako, nagbabasa ng newspaper, tinitignan niya ako. Pag uwi niya sa gabi, nandiyan sa TV ako, nagkatingin. Masama ang tingin niya sa akin. Ano ang dapat gawin ko? Magpalit ng asawa, patayin ko yung asawa ko, o I find something productive outside.
Find something to
Yes, because alam mo naman, kung magtrabaho ka, you get to solve so many problems and marunong naman ako magtrabaho siguro, dumaan naman ako dyan. At sa awa ng Diyos, I would not judge myself, but I would say that binigay ko lahat, yung pagkatao ko, yung edukasyon ko na nakuha ko, I was able to make use of my being a law practitioner, then being a prosecutor, then being a congressman.
President.
You're trying to raise your hand kanina. Sige.
Mayor, Mayor, I would like to get your reaction regarding kasi yung may ibang, naayo bang kung sa taong lungsod na member na na ubalhin sa other party. What is your statement?
Good. I do not want to have a heavy machinery. Mas mabuti. Frankly, bakit? Minus ang gastos mo. Hindi ko naman sinasabihin na wala silang pera. Pero if you're the head of the party, kung baka tatakbo ako ng mayor, ikaw talaga ang mas mabuti sabihin mo sa kanila na ang request ko, my earnest request, is lumipat na sila para makamura ako. Total, nandyan sila o hindi, manalo man ako. So, anong silbi nila sa akin? No? O balik ta rin na. Anong silbi nila sa akin?
So, Mayor, you are running.
Walking na lang siguro, matanda na eh. Hindi pa.
What information are you planning for Mayor?
Final.